Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Achanaidu is new TDP chief in Andhra Pradesh. TDP has appointed former minister and BC leader and Tekali MLA Kinjarapu Achanaidu as the new chief of the party for Andhra Pradesh unit. Another BC leader and former minister Kolu Ravindra as the vice president of the party's Andhra Pradesh unit. Another BC leader and former minister Kolu Ravindra. Meanwhile, the party has also announced 25 presidents for each of the 25 parliamentary constituencies. Apex Council meeting on Krishna Godavari River water sharing on October 6. The second meeting of the Apex Council to resolve the issues relating to sharing of Krishna and Godavari River waters between the two sibling states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh will be held on October 6. The Jal Shakti Ministry intimated the new schedule to both the states. Andhra Pradesh 13 districts report below 1000 cases. For the first time in weeks, all 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh Tuesday reported fresh cases in numbers below 1000. East Godavari, that saw its caseload rise by over 1000 a day for more than a month, added 991 afresh on Tuesday. Andhra Pradesh COVID-19 tally increased to 6,87,351 as 6,190 more cases were added. Rallies organized hailing CM KCR for the new Revenue Act. The new Revenue Act, recently passed in the State Assembly, has ushered in a new era of revenue administration in the state, stated several TRS leaders. Massive rallies were organized at Kotagudem and Kallur on Tuesday by the TRS leaders, extending support to the Revenue Act and thanking the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao for the initiative. A 3-kilometer long massive bullock cart and tractor rally was taken out at Paluncha in Kotagudem with nearly 500 bullock carts and tractors. Chennai Metro installs foot-operated lift mechanism in all 32 stations to fight COVID-19. In a bid to provide a safe journey for passengers during the COVID-19 pandemic, Chennai Metro Rail has installed a foot-operated lift mechanism in all stations. It has also installed foot-operated buttons for taps in all restrooms. After studying various contactless options for the safe use of its elevators, CMRL has come up with an ingenious way to avoid and minimize hand contact with the elevator buttons by providing a foot-operated lift mechanism to reduce the virus spread and ensure safety of users. Andhra Pradesh puts off reopening of schools to November 5. Though it was decided to reopen the schools in the state on October 5, it had to be postponed to November 5 in view of the present COVID situation, Education Minister Adimulapu Suresh announced here on Tuesday. However, the Jaganna Vidya Kanuka kits would be distributed by the government as scheduled on October 5, he told. APMVC selects 5 short films as winners of contest. The Andhra Pradesh Madhya Vimochana Prachara Committee APMVC has selected 5 short films, each for the first, second, and third prizes, respectively, in a competition conducted by it on the topic Liquor Impact Phase-Wise Liquor Ban in Andhra Pradesh. APMVC Chairman Vallam Reddy Lakshman Reddy said more than 400 short films were received for the competition. The 5 short films selected for the first prize include Vyasanam, Mathu Vadalara, Gundile Manchi Kalamundu Mundana, Drunken Drive, and O Sinugadi Katha. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Bayan Times.